Yes, my people, you have to look very careful to identify this woman they called INEC official. I believe with this video, the INEC themselves should be able to identify this woman and bring her to book. Otherwise, we have to see it as conspiracy. Otherwise, we have to see this election that it has been manipulated. As you can see, this woman, they say she's INEC official, completing hundreds of ballot paper to enable a particular party to win in that region, if not all the polling whatever station. So please let justice be done. Keep on sharing this video. Keep on sharing it. And the woman by her side, if this very person is being arrested, we also need that woman by her side, because the woman know actually what her colleagues was doing. Meanwhile, she must have done her own as well. She was looking out for this woman completing hundreds of ballot paper while she was peeping to see if any other person is coming to join them. And there are so many there. So if this woman can be apprehended, every other staff officials that are present in that room should be apprehended as well. As you can see, we have more than 3 staff there already, the one I can see through this video. So we are crying of free and fair election. The thing is that Nigeria system do work, but we don't want it to work to enable us this cheating, this manipulation. If it's advanced country, although we are advanced, but we don't want to be advanced. Election is not done this way. Gone are the days. The reason why Nigeria want to remain in this standard is because of this manipulation. But meanwhile, let's make this woman a scapegoat. Thereafter, she may confess. Not me, she will confess. The person responsible for this. The person that settled them to do this. She's even bringing out more. And this was a hidden coverage. Who knows what she must have done and what she's still doing after this video? I believe it's very obvious her face is seen here. So let the INEC official, we are going to take it up with the INEC official, the chairman, as human rights defender and access to justice. We are not going to stop here. This video is going to be used as an evidence. This is our evidence. Whether old video or new video, what we are seeing here so far, we are demanding for justice. So she will be in position to explain when, if it's 2005 or 2002 or 1998 or 99. Nigeria, where are we going? Already 24 hours now. We got no results. We don't have no result of who the next president is, because there is going to be a manipulation before announcing the results. We are just queuing up to be sweating, to be humiliated, to be harassed, to be embarrassed, because we wanted to exercise our vote to choose the person of our choice, but it's never done in Nigeria. We are just there to exercise. We are not the one making it happening. Our vote is never counted. By the special grace of God, we are still expecting to see Messiah of our time. Who knows when and where? Please keep on sharing this video until something is being done. And it has to be done publicly. Alright, have a nice rainy Sunday from Lagos. One love. From Lagos, Nigeria, West Africa.